Почекай, кликни единичку. Эй, кликни.
This message is being broadcasted by the USTF organization. At dawn today, multiple unidentified objects have appeared on an AML detector. Objects have appeared in Europe and now are coming to USA. As of 1:37 a.m. Eastern Time, they are confirmed 257 deaths and 68,709 injuries. This broadcast will now relay instructions to keep you and your loved ones safe. Do not go outside. Lock all doors. Lock yourself in a room. Keep your mouth shut. Do not open door for anyone. Obey me. Obey me. Obey me. Obey me. I am your master. Don't be afraid. I am here to change the world.